Jem and Jack finally pushed through with their plan to wake up early and have breakfast out. But this time, it wasn't just any breakfast, because they wanted to do something different. They decided to hike up a mountain and have their meal at the top. Jack woke up early to prepare everything they needed for their breakfast adventure.
Good morning!
Good morning. Nagising kami ng maaga dahil magbe-breakfast kami sa taas ng bundok.
They arrive at the foot of the mountain, ready to start their little adventure together.
Watch out, be aware of your surroundings. Kasi may cougars talaga dito sa area na to. Pusa to, di ba?
Tulad din, ayun, no?
Oo, takot kayo sila. Parang silang lion, tignan mo.
Yeah, laki din yan.
Ano nga?
Matang layon.
First, water break.
Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling.
As they are walking, they come across this plant that smells just like eucalyptus.
And ito yung eucalyptus.
Ang bango, no? Mint flavor or mint,
Yeah.
Ito pala dito nang gagaling.
Ginagamit to pang relax.
Kung ano, pag-aral lang ngayon natin paano mag-extract. Pwede natin gawing business.
Yeah.
Ayan, sakay ka na sa kotse ko.
But guess what? Turns out, it's not eucalyptus after all.
Parang sa Conjuring, nasunog pa siya. Sunog yan, diba?
Parang ito yung mga nasa sinamay nakabitay, no?
Oo.
Ayun nga, oh! Sa hike namin, ito na yung pinakamahirap na part.
Pag ganun siya.
Slope, steep na steep siya, no? Ayun, ang top na.
As they finally make it to the peak of the mountain, this totally wacky creature with horns pops up out of nowhere to greet them.
Umutot si Jack. Tapos, naamoy ko ang baho. Nag-run ako dito. Pagdating ko dito, napahinto ako kasi nakita ko siya. Kasi ko, ano yan yung sungay?
Grabe, may sungay pa, no? Yan ang mountain goat, guys.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
They finally make it to the top. And as they stand there, looking at the view, they know waking up that early, dragging themselves out of bed was all worth it.
Falls off the mountainside.
Further down the other side of the mountain shows the city view.
These bones dry.
Yan yung view na pupuntahan namin. Hindi pa dito. Ayun na, dun tayo. May left side. Wow! Ooh! Oh!
Bright in me till the day I die.
Walang lilim. Ayaw ni Jem sa mainit, kaya babalik kami doon sa medyo baba, sa medyo mapuno. I love you, Jem! Sigaw mo, sigaw mo. Sigaw mo rin. Sigaw mo rin.
I love you, Jack!
Lakasan mo naman, parang may hiya eh.
I love you, Jack!
I love you, Jem! I love you, Jem!
I love you, Jack!
After their little cringe-worthy moment, they quickly look for some shade, as Jem, of course, saying she can't handle the sun anymore.
Criteria ni Jem.
Walang araw dapat.
Walang araw.
Kasi nasisinagan yung mukha ko.
Takot siya umitim eh. So ito yung pagkain niluto kanina.
Oh my gosh, guys. Alam niyo, feeling ko ngayon parang field trip.
And there, on the other side of the mountain, they sit and eat together, as if it's the happiest ending to their little adventure. There's no better way to start the day than seeing something this beautiful.
Paglamig na nilalamig ako. Kasi mahangin siya.
Ito lang yung layer na sinuot niya. Baliw.
Sabi mo, one layer lang laban. 2 layers naman.
Sabi ko, 1 layer lang ipatong mo. Dapat talaga ang plano, magbabasa kami ng book, magjo-journal dito. Pero nag-aya na tong isa, bumaba na daw kami. Kaya, yun, kumain lang kami talaga.